अस्सलाम वालेकुम बच्चों, इस वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे कैपिटल लेटर A to Z तक और 1 to 10 तक नंबर्स। क्या सीखेंगे? A to Z अल्फ़ाबेट्स 1 to 10 काउंटिंग। सबसे पहले हम कलर नेम सीखेंगे। लाइट पिंक कलर, स्काई ब्लू कलर, लाइट ग्रीन कलर, ब्लैक कलर, ब्राउन कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, येलो कलर, सी ग्रीन कलर, रेड कलर, वाइट कलर, ब्लू कलर। A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for car, D is for dog, E is for elephant, F is for frog, G is for grapes, H is for hen, I is for igloo, J is for joker, K is for king, L is for lemon, M is for mango, N is for nose, O is for onion, P is for parrot, Q is for queen, R is for rose, S is for sun, T is for tiger, U is for umbrella, V is for van, W is for watermelon, X is for Xmas tree, Y is for yo-yo, Z is for zebra. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1 0 10, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 like green color, which 1, purple color, 2, yellow color, 3, sea green color, 4, red color, 5, 1 2 3 4, 5. Number 6, purple color. Number 7, yellow color. 8, sea green color. 9, red color. 10, 1, 0, 10, light green color. 1, 11, purple color. 1, 2, 12, yellow color. Number 13, 1, 3, 13, sea green color. Number 14, 1, 4, 14, red color. Number 15, 1, 5, 15, light green color. Number 16, 1, 6, 16, purple color. Number 17, 1, 7, 17, yellow color. Number 18, 1, 8, 18, sea green color. Number 19, 1, 9, 19, red color. Number 20, 2, 0, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. सबसे पहले हम कलर नेम सीखेंगे. सी ग्रीन कलर, रेड कलर, पर्पल कलर, पिंक कलर, ब्लू कलर, ब्राउन कलर, ब्लू कलर, कैपिटल ए, स्मॉल ए. A is for apple. Red color. Capital B, small b. B is for ball. Light green color. Capital C, small c. C is for cat. Yellow color. Capital D, small d. D is for duck. Sea green color. Capital E, small e. E is for elephant. Purple color. Capital F, small f. F is for frog. G, capital G, small g. G is for grapes. Capital H, small h. H is for hen. Capital I, small I. I is for igloo. Capital J, small j. J is for joker. Capital K, small k. K is for king. Capital L, small l. L is for lion. Capital M, small m. M is for mango. Capital N, small n. N is for nose. Capital O, small o. O is for onion. Capital P, small p. P is for pumpkin. Capital Q, small q. Q is for queen. Capital R, small r. R is for rat. Capital S, small s. S is for sun. Capital T, small t. T is for tiger. Capital U, small u. U is for umbrella. Capital V, small v. V is for van. Capital W, small w, w is for watermelon. Capital X, small x, x is for Xmas tree. Capital Y, small y, y is for yo-yo. Capital Z, small z, z is for zoo. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z। बच्चों इस वीडियो में हमने क्या सीखा? कैपिटल लेटर एंड स्मॉल लेटर ए टू जेड तक। पहले हम कलर के नेम सीखेंगे। सी ग्रीन कलर, ब्लू कलर, पर्पल कलर, लाइट ग्रीन कलर, रेड कलर, पर्पल कलर। ए इज फॉर एप्पल, सी ग्रीन कलर। बी इज फॉर बॉल, सी इज फॉर कार। D is for door. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for grapes. Blue color. H is for hen. I is for igloo. J is for joker. K is for kite. L is for lemon. M is for mango. N is for nose. N is for nest. O is for onion. P is for parrot. Q is for queen. R is for rose. R is for rose. S is for sun. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for watermelon. W is for watermelon. X is for Xmas tree. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zoo. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z। Red color, orange color, black color, purple color, white color, blue color, sea green color, brown color, light pink color, sky blue color, one, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 33, 34, 35, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35। बच्चों अगर वीडियो पसंद है चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें। थैंक फॉर वॉचिंग।